Alright, what's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A5 and the Samsung Galaxy A5 LED wallet case from Samsung. Let's get started. Alright, so to get this one you can get it from a bunch of spots. Rogers has it in Canada, Best Buy has it, Costco has it, which is where we got this one. So this phone's for my grandma because she lost her iPhone 8 earlier in the day and somebody stole it, which really sucks. But so we got her the Samsung Galaxy A5 to replace it, so that she's now part of the Samsung Knights, which is always positive, and I'm not the lone Samsung user in my house, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so let's talk about the specs of this phone. Alright, so as I said earlier, this is the Samsung Galaxy A5. It's got 4G LTE, 64-bit octa-core processor. It's got 3 gigs of RAM, which is pretty good for a mid-range phone. It's got a 5.2-inch FHD, which is 1920 by 1080p AMOLED display. 16 megapixel cameras on the front and the rear. IP68 water and dust resistance. It's protected by Samsung Knox, as with all the other recent Samsung phones. 32 gigs of internal memory. Plus up to 256 gigabytes with a micro SD card, which is always positive. Yeah, so this is I got this for, my grandma got this for $3.99. Yeah, pretty decent price. Let's get into it. Alright, let's unbox the phone. So I'm gonna switch to another angle. Got my phone right here, recording audio and video just for a little more up close angle so I don't have to move this one and screw up the audio. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch over here. Alright, so here it is, Samsung Galaxy A5 in black sky is the color. Alright, so the phone right on top. Here it is, Samsung Galaxy A5. Let's take that plastic off. So satisfying. Yeah, so here it is. Looks like it comes with a screen protector already installed. So you've got your fingerprint scanner right there on the front with capacitive buttons, which aren't showing up right now because the phone's not on. And your earpiece, selfie camera, ambient light sensor. Get your 16 megapixel camera on the rear with the flash, Samsung branding. And then yeah, so let's peel this sticker off and let's see what else you get in the box. There, make sure this one's still recording. Yes, it is. So in here you get a USB-C adapter. Oh, that's cool. So if you have a bunch of micro USB cables lying around, like I do, as you can see right there, it's all pretty much all micro USB cables. So you just attach this little adapter right here. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Working. Yeah, that's good. And then quick start guide, anything exciting, warranty, all that stuff. Just plug that, file it to the side, as Fosse Carter would say. Get your USB Type-C cable right here. See that? USB-A on one end, and C on the other. There. It's hard to see. It's there. And you get a white charging brick, fast charging, which this obviously comes with. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah. Peel this plastic off if you can. It's always kind of difficult. Yep. So I'll show you on the other camera, just for a different angle. So we got also USB-C to USB-A for transferring data from your other stuff. Yeah, and then USB-C to USB-A cable, fast charging brick, and then usual books and stuff. So let's put all that to the side, and let's take a look at the phone itself. Alright, so the next thing we're going to take a look at is the Samsung Galaxy A5 Illuminated Edge notification flip cover. To get this one, go to bestbuy.com or .ca. I'm going to run you 40 bucks Canadian, so like between 32 and 35 US. I'll put the actual price up here somewhere when I'm editing. Yeah, let's get this open. Full tabs on there, but you know, I use the knife, keep it nice and sharp. Put that off. Yeah, so here it is. Yeah, nice neon orange interior. Looks pretty good. Some nice foam and instructions. Let's peel this out. Yeah, so here it is. Got gray on the front and orange like that, yeah, inside. Yeah, Samsung on the back, power buttons right there. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. Let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Yeah, I'll be back with more soon. Peace.